That's a great sound. That's a nice sound to start today's video with. Today, it is under 1 degrees currently right now outside here in Dallas, Texas. We're shooting our friend Steve's M4. It's an M4, right? Is that an M4? Yeah. We're shooting Steve's M4 today. It's burning hot. Doing a cool feature on Steve's car today. We're kind of focusing on him shooting his car, trying to find that perfect shoot spot. Steve is a photographer. Steve also shoots. And he has this cool car that he likes to enjoy as well, so we're trying to include the two hobbies into one video. So what we're going to do today here is follow Steve around in the pursuit of the perfect shoot spot. We're starting it off today in the city here, where it's just going to be too loud, too noisy, and it's just too much for him, and it doesn't look good. It's not fitting the vibe that he wants. And from here, we're going to take him outside of the city, and we're going to go around some nature drives, nature roads, and just have some fun with the car, and find some much cooler, less busier areas for him to find that perfect shoot spot for sunset later. It is currently almost 3 o'clock, it's 2:44. We have until 8:30, which is sunset. So we have a good amount of time to get all the shots we think we need. But we're gonna start off this first scene here where he is at his car, shooting some photos, and he's not too stoked. It's too loud, there's too much going on, there's too much distracting him. It's not the vibe he's looking for. And that'll play out within some slow shutter effect video, and a lot of audio of trains going by, traffic going by, AC units, big tall buildings, cars honking their horns. We'll add all that in post, even though you only hear the train squealing sounds here. We're gonna get the first few shots of him getting out of his car here and shooting some photos and just not being stoked with them, and then we're gonna head out of the city. So we're gonna grab those now. We got the camera car set up, and we got our camera set up here. It's burning hot. We're gonna try to move quick. More AC time, the better, right, Trey?
Do it for the bills, I sweat it. It's getting it.
This dude's asked me to move the van at least 15 times. It's 107 degrees outside. He didn't bring me water. If anybody finds this, please. I need help. I don't even know if I'm filming myself right now. Did I hit record? We out here dying. Heat got hands, and that motherfucker's swinging right now.
We are now in the camera car, ready to do some rollers. We have the Mobi controller right here, and our monitor here. Since it's just, yeah, let me get hard, sharp, let me get sharp. Since it's just me and Trey today, I'm doing controlling and zoom and focus. So it's a little bit of a hassle, but we should be okay. We've been getting really good at doing just single op stuff. But from here, we're gonna leave the city, head out to kind of middle of nowhere road, start doing some really cool rollers on some curvy, naturey roads, which will A, get us away from traffic, and B, help the idea of our video of wanting to get out of the city and shoot some more nature stuff, as Steve wants to shoot some more nature stuff with this car. This should be cool. We're gonna grab some rollers and we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Insert some rollers from here.
This one right here.
All right, come up close to us.
Just like, we're good on inside. You gotta try coming to watch her outside.
Nice, that was smooth there. That was really smooth. You okay, vlog? We tried to hit some hard turns there and the vlog camera went flying. About a half an hour later, we are now out of the city, which is one of the cooler parts about living in Texas and Dallas. If we live towards New York City, it takes us a minute to get somewhere out, kind of looking in the sticks and fields and stuff like that, which is really cool. So we just got a really cool shot around a few corners here with the camera car. Nothing too crazy because the van obviously can't do anything too crazy around these corners. So we hopped out and we set up the drone here. So we got a cool few drone shots of Steve coming around some of those corners. We did one where we just follow him, one where he comes underneath the car or underneath the drone into the shot, and another one kind of just going directly across these fields or bales of hay above where his car was kind of just above above all these bales of hay, which is really cool. And now Trey's just grabbing some photos because we got a cool little backdrop here, which is neat. I don't want to go too far and there's cars coming, but looks pretty cool here. We're gonna go to our next spot, which is a specialty shoot spot. So it's gonna be where the camera is gonna be in front of the van and we're gonna shoot out as he comes around a turn, which should be really cool. And from there, we're gonna go to our next feature spot where he's gonna be a little bit more okay with the shots that he's getting, but still not fully stoked because he's not at that spot yet. So we're gonna change batteries on the movie and then we could move on out to our next location. So we're using Inspire batteries, DJI Inspire batteries here on the movie. These are little Ignite Digi plates, adapter plates to run these bigger batteries that run longer. Eventually some of them start to balloon and get a little bit bigger. So I gotta replace some of these, but they're expensive. So I'm waiting to do that, but you can see we got blinky, so we gotta replace them. And this guy's got full solid, but we still need to replace these so we don't die between the next location. This guy's a little bloated. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not the safest to be using, but it's just so expensive. This next shot we're trying to knock out is a cool shot where we jump out of the road behind him as he comes around a corner. It's a little bit busy, so it's a little bit sketchy. We just tried it one time. It didn't work out because we were just a little bit too far back. We're gonna try to be a little bit closer, a little bit quicker from the camera car's perspective this time around, but otherwise, it's gonna be pretty cool if we can nail this. Just taking a few tries, because it's a little bit between points where he can turn around and points where we can turn around safely. So we're gonna try it again, and we'll show you the shot. We'll try to capture some BTS as it happens as well, but this should be pretty cool. We are turned around as well on our end.
Ready?
No, there's somebody behind us. There's two people behind us.
Lots of cars coming. So there's a huge jam of cars in front of me.
Yep.
After they pass, I'll be coming in.
We have a Corolla behind us. Are you coming?
I'm the next car coming.
Okay.
I'll be there in like 5 seconds. So I'll count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and I'm here.
There he is. Woohoo! That was sick!
Fuck yeah.
That was sick! Keep going, let's take this turn, let's take this turn. Get closer, Trey. Nice, very cool. I think that worked out really well. We are at one of our next feature locations where Steve's gonna hop out of his car and shoot the car a little bit, and he's a little bit more happy with this because now we're out of the city. Finally, we're in nature, we're around some trees, a lake behind us, there's a little bridge over there, the trains are running across the forest, so this is closer to what he wants to shoot. So this is good, so he's gonna be a little more stoked on the images that he's capturing here. We have 2 more, one that's okay again, and then the last one that's gonna be the best one. We've got some cool rollers so far, so now we need some feature shots of his car. We have a lot of cool trackers. We found while we were in the park here, we can do a tracking shot. I'll insert here. We're gonna have Steve pretend to take some more photos here, or actually take some more photos here, and we're gonna capture some beauty shots of the car while it's here. We'll spend a little bit of time, and then we'll get back on the road. We have a few more rollers to do, and a shot, like we need a flyby shot or 2. We got the camera back on the ring. We're gonna start shooting this stuff now, and we'll film some BTS for you. right. So of course this last spot we want to shoot, there's a car parked right here, and there's a guy fishing down there. We're in the middle of nowhere, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. But I think this is still kind of cool here with the white fence and the white car, and we could also get a shot from like right here, side to side, and then shoot back this way. We just won't shoot forward. And then we have one more location. That will be it. So let's get some. I'm just gonna do some handheld shots here. I don't feel like taking the camera off a gimbal, to be honest. So we're gonna do this quick. So really quick, we got to take the arm and everything off the car because we got to go drive somewhere where we probably shouldn't drive with this full rig. So we're just breaking it down really quick. Front is already off. We're getting the rear off. We're making good progress, and you guys can maybe see us. We're doing this quick because we only have like an hour left of sunlight. The park is 15 minutes away. It's hilly, so I'll lose sunlight pretty quick in there. So we're just trying to boogie a little bit to get there quick. Okay, so the car is broken down. The sun is much higher, so I think we still have some more time than I thought we had. We probably have about an hour of sunlight, which is great. But this park is kind of hilly that we're in right now, so I wanted to get here quicker. So it looks like right here, if you guys see that Jeep going up, there is a little curve and then an uphill that we can kind of try to follow him with the 7200, and also a really nice turn right here we can get coming down this hill if I go up this path right here. So I'm gonna put the 7200 on the Komodo and just do some handheld panning. Tripods are great for this. I don't like tripods. I like the handheld look a little bit better if I can. I'll follow back up with you guys, hopefully some footage in a second. So you're just pretty much gonna go up that hill and around the corner and come back whenever you can. Beautiful. Yep. Come on, closer if you can. Okay. Nice. Very nice. Come up a little bit when we come over. Don't pass but come up. That's good. That's awesome. Yep. We got the 360 cam on his car, the Insta 360 X3. We got that on there. He's gonna drive through the park a little bit and get some 360 footage with this beautiful sunlight that we still have. I'm surprised it's lasted this long. It's been really good. We got a roller, we got an add a car shot. We're gonna get this 360 shot, and then we're going to go to the last good spot where he finds his spot to end this day. We officially have pretty much no more sun. We're getting close to that blue light, which is some really good light, but we just wanted to focus just on daylight and evening hours. He's actually did a video already with one of our good friends, Luca, at night, and he's got like cop lights in his car in the front and in the rear that are pretty cool, but he already has a video like that, so he wanted one in the daylight and the evening, so that's what we did today. It is currently 8:37, sunset's fully at 47, but as you guys can see, it's pretty much all the way down over there, and there's no more light that we want to get on the car here. We got our cool sunlight shots. We threw in an extra suction cup shot. You guys couldn't see that because we did it really quick. The only thing else we really need is audio. So now we're going to just pretty much get audio of him going through the park and outside of the park, and then we'll be done. Long day, rush against the sun, good times, people stopping by to say what's up to the car, but yeah, that's that. Steve's got the audio on his car, one in the engine bay, one in the exhaust. Bye, Steve, have fun. One under the hood and one at the exhaust, going into the same sound bag, same setup as usual. Bring that back up with Steve, and we're gonna get the audio off his car. If you're wondering, this time around we put the microphone pretty much in his intake, or right next to his intake in the box here, to get that good suck sound. And we're pretty much good to go now. We can take all the audio off, all the tape off, and yeah. Thanks, Steve. That was fun. You did great today.
Thank you. Thank you.
Steve, where can people find out about you, or if they want to see more images of your car, or you rolling around with your lights on?
So I have my video creator page. That one's my main one, SPT_media.
So if you guys want to see more about Steve's car or see more of this video, definitely check it out on his Instagram. Give him a follow. We're gonna take the audio off the car. Trey, how'd today go?
It was very hot.
Don't lie to them.
Above having heat stroke at one point. Compensation ASAP.
Yeah, we don't got none of that around here. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. See ya.